Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Chebe powder. The charred hair growth secret is the traditional use of Chebe powder, an herbal mixture used by women in Chad, particularly the Bassara tribe, to grow and maintain long, healthy hair. Chebe powder is not intended to grow hair, but rather to help retain length by strengthening and protecting the hair shaft, preventing breakage. So in today's video, we are going to make Chebe butter that you have to put in your hair and not worry about washing it out. So stay tuned to see how this product is being made and how you can use this product to support your hair. First, we put water on the stove, and here I'm going to be measuring the Chebe powder. So this is 100% natural Chebe powder. And I'm going to be using organic cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of Chebe powder and 1 cup of olive oil. But I'm going to put it little by little so that I can mix in the mixture very well. So here is the half cup. I will mix it up and then put in the second batch, but altogether it is 4 tablespoons of Chebe powder to 1 cup of olive oil. So Chebe powder's benefits include promoting moisture retention, which helps hair retain length and prevents dryness. It is traditionally used to strengthen hair strands, minimize breakage and split ends, and improve the overall texture and manageability of hair. It is also believed to nourish the hair and scalp, supporting a healthy environment for growth. On the other hand, olive oil has the ability to condition dry hair, strengthen hair follicles, repair damage, and keep hair manageable. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants that boost your scalp and hair health. Olive oil is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants and can thus help promote faster hair growth. It can also provide many wonderful health benefits like nourishing and strengthening your hair and reducing bacterial infections. So here I put a lid on it and then put it in the boiling water. Always remember to put your water on low heat so that it will not mess up with the ingredients. Liking the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So here is up to 30 minutes. I took it out and I'm gonna leave it on the counter for 4 days for the Chebe to infuse properly. So after 4 days, I once again put water on the stove. Here we're going to melt other ingredients. So here is the Chebe oil infused for 4 days, and we're going to filter it. So I'm going to get a wig cap to put on it to make sure that the particles don't go into the oil, because we're going to make butter from it. So at this point, the Chebe powder has settled at the bottom of the mason jar, and I was able to filter it with no problems at all. Liking the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. So here we have the Chebe oil. To make the Chebe butter, we need to add 2 ingredients, which are mango butter and shea butter. Mango butter works as an effective scalp conditioner that seals in moisture and reduces breakage and hair loss by strengthening hair follicles. It protects hair from drying, thereby controlling frizz and boosting volume to keep it looking and feeling soft, lush and lustrous. So here we are using 1 tablespoon of mango butter. Next is shea butter. Shea butter seal moisture into the hair, increase shine and reduce frizz. It's also rich in vitamins A and E to nourish and protect the hair. Here we are using 1 tablespoon of shea butter. So we are now going to put the shea butter and the mango butter into the boiling water to melt. Always remember to put the water on low heat so that it will not mess up with the ingredients. So after the shea butter and the mango butter were well melted, I took it out. Here we are going to mix all this together. So after turning in both the shea butter and the mango butter into the Chebe oil, I mix it together, and then I'm going to put a plastic wrap on it and put it in the refrigerator. Liking the video so far? Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So it is ready. I'm putting it in the refrigerator, and after a while I brought it out and then use my electric mixer to whip it into butter. Lots of people have asked me, what if you don't have the electric mixer? You can use the hand whisk to mix it, but it will take a long time. So after mixing it for a while, I use a wooden spatula to scrape the side of the bowl so that everything will be well whipped and incorporated. So I mix it for a little while, then I put away the mixer. Next, we are going to add vitamin E oil. So this is the only addition to it, no preservative added, so it is very pure. So I mix that in. Here we're going to put it in this container. There you have it. How to make your own shea butter at home, and it's healthy, it's organic, it's very natural, and it's good for you and your family. Stay tuned to see how I apply this shea butter on my daughter's hair and how you can also apply it on your hair as well. Just so you know, I also use it on my hair and also my oldest daughter. And let me tell you, shea powder is safe for adults and also for kids. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below as well. So this is my daughter. She's 5 years old, and by the grace of God, we've made a lot of progress with our hair using natural, organic, homemade ingredients to promote healthy, beautiful, and long hair. So I have already put in leave-in conditioner and oils on our scalp. So I am detangling now. We are ready to put in the shea butter into our hair. Key benefits of shea powder, but this one we make it into butter, are moisture retention. It reduces breakage by lubricating the hair shaft and strengthening strands. It also improves hair health. It nourishes the hair and can soothe the scalp, contributing to overall healthier hair growth from the roots. It enhances hair texture as well. It can make hair softer and smoother, improving its overall appearance and manageability. Also, length retention. By preventing breakage, shea powder helps hair retain the length it has already grown, leading to longer hair over time. So Chebe helps hair stay moisturized longer. So after taking care of our hair by putting leave-in conditioner, massaging our scalp with oil, and I use the Chebe butter to help strengthen our hair strands by putting it on each part of the hair that I'm making to protect the hair and also to retain length. So once again, Chebe powder is not intended to grow hair, but rather to help retain length by strengthening and protecting the hair shaft, preventing breakage. So with the addition of mango butter and shea butter to the Chebe oil, this makes a great combo for the Chebe butter on your hair. And this is the style that she is taking to school. She is in kindergarten, and look at the thickness of her hair. Look at how healthy it is. I mean, this girl is blessed. So I hope you like this video. With this hairstyle, you can style it however you want, but this was a style that she used for a few days. But I love putting beads on the hair because it stretches the hair out. I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.